how to install the video card on the ASUS motherboard. The model number is 68Z68-V LX. So this is just a standard cheap video card I'm going to put into this computer. So here's the two slots that you can use, the PCI Express 1 and PCI Express 16 number 2. And with the number 1 it's running at 16 speed, and with number 2 it's running at 4 speed. So for the fastest one, you would want to use the blue one, the one that closest to the CPU. This one allows you to run at 16 speed. So just plug in the video card into the slot here, and you should be able to get it running. So I'm just going to plug it right in. So in there, and then push it down. That's it. So you can see it go right into that slot. So let's go right into that slot there. And then on the side here, you can put the swirls in, or if depending on your case design. So with this particular one here, I don't even need to put the swirls in. There's a cap that I can place it over. So you can see here, I can place this cap over like this. So with this cap, I just place it over top, and this one lock in this video card. So there you can see, and that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you can place the video card into your motherboard. Thank you for watching this video.